Meaning of Edwardian.
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 Edwardian. Edwardian refers to the period between 1901 and 1910, when King Edward VII ruled over England. This era was known for its elegance, luxury, and whimsical fashion trends, including the popularization of the S-curve silhouette. The Edwardian period was also marked by significant social changes, such as the emergence of women's suffrage movements. Overall, the Edwardian era represented a time of transition from the Victorian era to the modern age, and it continues to inspire art, fashion, and design to this day.